Dr. Pooja Khedkar, a trainee IAS officer, has recently come under scrutiny following allegations of providing a certificate of partial blindness to qualify for the IAS position. Additionally, accusations have surfaced regarding the acquisition of an OBC caste certificate to secure her post. These claims have sparked a debate on the ethical and legal implications within the competitive framework of civil services appointments. Let's delve into the details of this case. In a recent tweet, RTI activist Vijay Kumbhar questioned the effectiveness of senior officers within the administration, criticizing their inability to manage a defiant probationary officer Pooja Khedkar. Kumbhar pointed questions underscoring the ongoing controversy surrounding Khedkar, whose actions have sparked widespread discussions across media platforms. As a probationary officer in Pune, Khedkar reportedly used a private luxury Audi with a flashing amber beacon, an entitlement she does not possess. Despite lacking provision for an independent office, car or attendant, she repeatedly requested these amenities from senior officials. Furthermore, she allegedly appropriated the private office of the additional district magistrate without prior permission, removing all of its contents to establish her own workspace. In a related incident, Khedkar's father, Dilip Khedkar, reportedly used derogatory language towards a tehsildar to secure these privileges for her daughter. These actions prompted Vijay Kumbhar to publicly raise questions about the senior officers' inaction and their apparent powerlessness. The controversy since led to Pooja Khedkar's transfer to Washim. However, the legitimacy of her appointment itself has now come under scrutiny. Khedkar qualified as an IAS officer under multiple disability and non-creamy layer categories. Recent demands for an investigation into the authenticity of her certificates have surfaced, especially following her absence from multiple UPSC-mandated medical examinations. On Saturday morning, a group of disabled citizens in Pune met with the State Commissioner of Disabilities, calling for an inquiry into the validity of Khedkar's disability claims. They demanded strict action from both Khedkar and any other medical professionals involved in issuing fraudulent certificates if proven guilty. Further complicating matters, Khedkar claimed eligibility under the non-creamy layer category despite significant family wealth. RTI activist Vijay Kumbhar detailed in the tweet that Khedkar's family owns 110 acres of farmland, multiple properties including 6 shops totaling 1,60,000 square feet, 7 flats, 1 in Hiranandani, 900 grams of gold, a diamond watch worth INR 17 lakhs, 4 cars and partnership in 2 private companies. Kumbhar questioned how Khedkar could claim non-creamy layer status despite such substantial assets, calling for an investigation. Amidst these allegations, Pooja Khedkar's use of private Audi car with an amber beacon continued to draw attention. The car, which bore a Government of Maharashtra label, was reportedly hidden at her Bane residence following media coverage. Despite government guidelines prohibiting such use of beacons by any officers, Khedkar persisted, prompting Pune police to issue a notice and commence an investigation under the Motor Vehicles Act. Subsequently, the car, identified as belonging to Thermo Verita Engineering Private Limited, disappeared from her residence. Adding to the family's controversy, a viral video surfaced showing Khedkar's mother, Manorama Khedkar, allegedly brandishing a pistol and threatening farmers in Mulshi Taluka. Their lawyer, advocate Ravindra Sutar, later claimed in a video statement that Manorama Khedkar carried the gun for self-defense, further fueling public and media interest. In response to these developments, the central government has now appointed 1-member committee to investigate the allegations against Pooja Khedkar. Additionally, Pune District Collector Dr. Suhas Divase submitted a detailed report on Khedkar's misconduct to the State General Administration Department. This report will also be forwarded to the central government and the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration in Mussoorie. Meanwhile, Pune police continue to investigate Khedkar's use of the amber beacon on a private vehicle. What are your thoughts on this matter? Please let us know in the comment section. Meanwhile, like, share and subscribe Pune Mirror for more such insightful updates. I am Anam Sheikh. Thank you so much.